Good morning, good morning. What's up, Instagram? What's up, IG? What's up, YouTube? What's up, Twitter? What's up, everybody? Back again for the live streams. And just looking to be patient, man. Some good positions. I'll be right back. I got some tea brewing up, so I'll be right back. All right. So it looks like we got nothing crazy today. We got no, I mean, we got relative news today, but nothing in the session that we're gonna be trading. So, today I'm just looking to be pretty calm, looking to secure 10 pips. Not looking to be on the stream too long today. I feel like I'll be able to find a position pretty quick here. Excuse me. There were times I was up, times I was down. Keep the hate to yourself when I'm not around. Ooh. Shitty boys running up to my knees, eight with a dime eating lobster and cheesecake. Stan will be, bro. Boy, it can't be. Man, what the fuck do they hate me? Swear to God. Alright, ladies and gents, so looking to scale into a sell position here in 5 minutes. If this candle is able to hold and close about like looking exactly like this, I'll be looking to scale into a sell position, looking to scalp. Once we're at 10 pips, I'll go ahead and decide if I want to secure full 10 pips or just let it run, stop loss, break even to secure possibly more. 5 minutes. So I'm really looking to scale into this position pretty nicely. We got a little while, honestly. We got a little while coming. With like a little wait for sure. This 4 minutes is gonna feel like it takes 5 years to close, and we'll just see how we're gonna feel at the enter once this candle closes full. Let's take a look at GJ, see what's going on. It's relatively looking about the same. This is where it's kind of tough for me right now because it's like between GJ and gold, they look pretty good, both of them. I will say gold looks better. Definitely gonna trade gold. GJ is looking like it's ready to sell off, but there's a lot of supports, a lot of price, a lot of orders placed in here. So something tells me we could easily just kind of form a support, and this can is might keep pushing back up to like 161.96. Gold, it's a little better range in my opinion. I feel like we have a higher chance possibly on holding this resistance. That's why I'm looking more so to sell this instead of GJ. The problem with selling GJ, in my opinion, is we got a bunch of orders placed here, got a ton of consolidation within this area, and we have a resistance, or yeah, there's a resistance right here at 161.51, which is right in between our range. We can easily hold support right here and possibly start trading up after that point. So I'm looking to probably stay away from GJ. Gold's is pushing down real nice. Really hope we don't push any further down. Really, I'm really trying to get a good entry on this. I'm not looking to impulsive entry. I don't really have too many confirmations on the impulsive entry. I mean, maybe if we start breaking past this, we might enter impulsive, but really, I'm trying to stay away from that. I'm really trying to enter enter candle close. Just trying to enter candle close. Anybody that tap in through Instagram, through the link, or just in general, please just go ahead and comment something in the section so I understand you're here. Just so I can get a idea who's in the chat right now, who's tapping in. All right, boys and girls, looking like GJ is excuse me, looking like gold is the move. Looking like gold's the move. We got about 20 seconds. I'll go ahead and switch it to my MetaTrader. Something like that. And I'll say once we hit about, if we hit 14 pips drawdown, I'll fucking 50% the position. That's the risk I'm gonna go ahead and take. Oh my goodness, bro. Ian, what's up, buddy? It's good to see you, bro. For real, for real. It's good to see you on the stream, man. Yesterday I had a doctor's appointment, so really wasn't able to tap into the stream. It was about 8 a.m., so I really wasn't able to get up on the stream and make any trades. But at this point, we got 20 seconds till the candle closes on gold. We got a bearish candle close. We got 20 seconds. 20 seconds here. Looking to enter position, manage the best we can, guys. Anybody that's looking to enter this position with me, please make sure that you understand that you have a 1.3 or excuse me 1.5% each position. So I've now fully entered this position. Price not going against me at this point. Like I said, we'll probably start 50% in positions between 14 pips drawdown. Alright, ladies and gents, just kind of looking to hold here as of right now. 10 pips up. Once we're 10 pips up, I'll go ahead and move stop loss break even. As of right now, everything's risk. We got risk on the table. We're just going to be holding position. Not much right now. We're just looking to hold best we can. Looking to make this play stop loss break even as soon as possible. That would be really nice to have a risk-free trade. Pretty interesting at this point, boys and girls. Kind of just playing around. Relatively expected. We got 30 minutes until New York Stock Exchange opens. We got more volume coming in. I'm expecting volume and momentum is going to keep continuing. Price to keep pushing down. That's why I've entered sell positions. We're just going to look to hold and manage these right now. Nothing yet. Nothing crazy yet. Good news, we're in profits, relative profits. Doesn't mean much right now. We're looking to scale in and not really scale in, but we're looking to move positions to stop loss break even as soon as we're 10 pips profit. 10 pips profit is going to be whenever it says 100 plus. Right now we are 2 pips profit, almost 3. Alright, so now we're dealing with a little bit of drawdown. So dealing with this drawdown, like I said, I'm looking to 50% my position to lower the risk relatively around 14, I'd have to say. It's gonna be excuse, not 14, but 140, which is 14 pips. You hate to see it when it does this sometimes, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. Just is what it is. How trading can be sometimes. It's always a little bit more frustrating when prices kind of be playing around with you like this. Oh yeah, bro. Hey man, thank you so much for tapping in, bro. That's all I really appreciate. If you could just drop a like on the stream, bro, that's all I'd like. Really, honestly, if you could just drop a like on the stream, bro, I'd really appreciate that. Help push the YouTube algorithm and get this content, get this education out to more people. Alright, so now we have price coming against us relatively, looking to 50% position if I need to. Alright, we are starting to get to our point. It's not looking the greatest for us right now, so we're looking to manage as best we can. And as of right now, we could be making a top wick just to continue down, push down to the bottom. This hour candle is gonna mean a lot, in my opinion. We got 53 minutes till it closes. We got a long time, but we really want that candle close uh bearish. Same with this candle. Same with this candle though. We want this candle close bearish as well. Obviously. I gotta pay attention here though now because we are entering relative close position to start 50%ing. So getting myself ready for that. Really like to see us start trading below the bearish candle we entered upon. Really like to see it start pushing below again. That probably make me feel much better right now. We've been in jaw down for a little bit now, and times we have been in profits, man, it's been little profits, right? So we can't do much. Not really smart to just close because we're really not really. It's gonna defeat the purpose of the one-on-one. Yeah, man. So we're just holding the best we can. Can't say this has been the best initially trade, honestly. At this point, it's been pretty wishy-washy. Just really hoping it's made this little top wick now and is starting to push to the downside. That's what I'd love to see. Yep, and we are now starting to trade below, so I'm feeling pretty good at this point. We should keep pushing down at this point. I'm telling you, man, it's something about that color blue, man. I just love that color blue. It just make you feel so much better. It's like so much more relaxing seeing that blue in that top right corner. I'm telling you. Come on, Bryce. See what we got, man. Come on, baby. Keep giving us the push we'd like to see. Once we break past that wick, I really feel like we're going to start pushing down pretty hard at that point. We are now starting to break past. Stop loss break even at this point, boys and girls. We have our trade at now risk free. Looking to just hold it for right now. Generally, we could have closed early, closed right at the 10 pips. I feel like I feel pretty good now that we're trading below this price level here, 1668. All right, ladies and gents, we're getting close to stop loss break even. Is what it is, but hopefully we can maintain, keep pushing. It's looking pretty close. We're getting close. Yo, we're getting close. We're getting close, baby. We're getting close. See if we can hold. Push back down for the daddy. Come on, baby. There we go. Come on. If we get stop loss break even, is what it is. We could have secured, but no matter what, um, we're still in this thing right now. So let's just keep maintaining, keep holding. Okay, we have been stopped out of break even. So no worries, we've been stopped out of break even. Looking right now, just kind of chill. I'm not really too eager to enter anything at this point. I think I'd rather wait for NYSE and see what kind of moves we got then. Yeah, so right there, really not much we could do at that point. I mean, we could have secured our 10 pips profit, which, obviously no problem, no issue with doing that. But I kind of felt pretty good with holding the position, and obviously holding it resulted with the stop loss break even being hit. Um, you know, not tripping too much. Of course, it'd be better to secure profits, but you can't always ask for the perfect entry, right? That's basically what that came down to. We didn't have the best entry. And if I'm being honest, I wonder how NYSC is gonna react. If this hourly was to close bearish, I still don't know how much I'm really wanting to get into a sell. Not to mention, that's gonna be at excuse me, that's gonna be at 9 o'clock. So with that being at 9 o'clock, I wonder how willing I am to enter a sell there. Goddamn, if I'm being honest, boys, man, I just don't see this candle printing bullish. I just don't. I really don't. So yesterday we pretty much floated all day, which made sense, right? But today we are starting to form a support, so something I gotta keep in mind, because we have formed a bottom wick. We might want to start creating a support at this point, so I might start wanting to trade above those levels. Um, Obviously the way price action is looking right now doesn't seem that way. At this point, it's just gonna stay away from FOMO. Stay away from impulsive entries. At this point, I believe we're gonna wait for the 11-minute candle to close. That would be the next potential entry. If we close bearish, you know. Unfortunately, we couldn't have. We did. I didn't end up securing a 10 pips profit because I felt the play would keep pushing in our favor, which obviously didn't end up doing that. So could have secured 10 pips here and then look for a re-entry to close this 11-minute, but we are starting to trade above this level again. So if we start trading above 1669, like 1669.50, you know, the sell bias is going to be out the window, right? But if we keep a, you know, a candle relatively like this, I don't feel the worst on selling. I just got to keep in mind that we do got a lot of supports and we got a lot of orders placed in the markets right around here in this level. So we do have to understand this could respect this price level right here, 1668, and we can start flipping and go bullish, especially looking at that daily. If we do go bullish, I might honestly enter a buy just because the daily looks super nice. Um, Daily looks really nice, and I feel like if we did close bullish, I feel like the next candle can really push up, especially to you know 1673 easily, which could we could easily secure our 10 pips at that point, and pretty much call it a day at that point. You know, one to two trades every single day. Maximum percent risk is 3%, and yeah, so that's kind of where I'm sitting with my bias right now at this point. It's what I'm like thinking would be a nice trade setup. But until then, man, we just gotta be patient. We just gotta hold. First position got stopped at break even. No worries. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm actually liking how this is gonna be set up. If we close just like this, looks perfect in my opinion. In my opinion, I'd be down to buy at that point. Now, say this 30-minute candle starts, you know, trading well above 1671. At that point, I'm gonna be waiting not to enter at all. Even if candle closes above 1671, I'm gonna stay away from entering because I would like to impulsive entry at that point past 1673. Impulsive entries at that point would be much more preferable in my opinion than possibly entering buys on a, you know, candle close up here. This candle has been very interesting. We've seen it switch multiple times from bearish to bullish. Just letting price action tell me what it wants to do once this candle closes. Because at this point, ladies and gentlemen, the sell we got into was 10 pips profit. Could have easily secured that. No worries, no shame in that, right? But we didn't end up doing that. And this candle is going bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, and we're still able to manage to find a reasonable spot to at least close and still take that profit. We didn't end up doing that. No shame in that. Stop loss break even, which is perfectly fine. You cannot even get mad at any type of loss like that. But really looking forward to scaling some position. Be a profitable trade today. You know, I'm really looking to get a nice profitable trade for the stream this morning. Um, I feel confident in being able to in my abilities to do that. So feeling pretty good, feeling ready. 7 minutes till this candle close. Just want to make sure we got nothing NYSE. If I was remember right, we do not. Yeah, we don't. We don't got nothing today, pretty much. Got Mester speaking today. It's at 1 p.m. or 11 a.m. Excuse me. Federal Open Market Committee. That's what that is. I was gonna say, what the fuck is FOMC stand for? It's Federal Open Market Committee. Release the latest release on it. An update on the Federal Reserve's efforts to modernize the payment system. I thank Ellen Brogeman and the other organizers for inviting me to speak again at the Chicago Payments Synopsis. I am very grateful to count Esther and Charlie as friends, and I appreciate their mentorship, although they may have wished for a better student. Okay, so it's just like weird shit like that, just giving credits and thanks. This morning I will discuss some efforts on the Federal Reserve has underway in collaboration with the industry and the other payment stakeholders to modernize the payment system, a critical part of the infrastructure of the United States. Of course, the views I present on my own, not necessarily one of those of the Federal Reserve Systems or of my colleagues of the Federal Open Market Committee. Huh. Well, they're trying to change payment ways, so I can't see that really affecting price too much, right? Oh, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the anticipation's coming back. I ain't gonna lie. After this trade, depending if it goes stop loss break even, go straight, profits, or we have to manage a loss. That will be the end of my stream for Tuesday, the 11th of October. But you know, it just depends. We might not enter. We might not. It's gonna depend. I don't know how much I feel on entering sales at this point. I think I'd prefer to enter buys. If candle closes bearish, I think I'm gonna stay out of it. I think it's gonna be too weak of a bull or bearish candle, excuse me, to really give me the momentum I want back to the downside. Checking the daily, we still got, daily could be wishy though. We could still want to make a bottom wick. It's starting to create a, top wick on the body. So, kind of looking, my bias is switching a lot more from sales now to buys. Now this candle though is a big reason on this candle, right? I got a big bias on buys, but the only time I'm really gonna want to buy or enter buys if this candle closes and makes a decent support. I don't want to see no weak body bullish candle. I want to see a decent little body on it and enter on it off that. Cause yeah, don't want to put myself in a bad position. We got 3 minutes till the candle closes. Anticipation picking up because every time this happens, it feels like the 3 minutes takes forever. Literally. So what we got for tomorrow? Some more 12th to the 15th new loans, Chinese shit. So Chinese putting out some loans. Oh, here we go. We got producer price index. Yes. Yes, tomorrow, baby. So I like to see tomorrow's gonna be a really nice day. So it's good to save some positions here. I mean, I'm gonna use both my positions today, but luckily, if I do take a loss today, it's only one loss because of my other trade was stop loss break even. Could have been 10 pips profit, but we hit stop loss break even. No worries. PPI tomorrow. Producer price index. Gonna be very good day tomorrow. Now with this candle pretty bearish, I really just want to stay away from it. I almost want to let's turn off the stream if that's the case because NYSE, uh, I'd like to see it push back up. I don't see NYSE really wanting to push it further down. We do got that volume coming in. I just don't see. I don't really want to risk. I don't want to risk that sell when I was already in a profitable entry with that sell earlier. So in my opinion, I feel like to enter a sell and then potentially to have a higher chance to lose it, I just feel foolish on that, and I wouldn't want to enter at all. I just don't think it's something I would like to enter to. It's gonna stay back, hold patience, see how this candle closes. This candle closes bearish, staying out of it entirely. I'm not even gonna enter a sell position, and more than likely just probably close the stream. Look for tomorrow. We got good plays coming for tomorrow. That's what I'm looking forward to. And if it closes super weak bullish, I'm still not gonna enter. It's got to close fairly well. I don't want to enter anything silly. Got 50 seconds, right? So 20 seconds, I'll start making my decision. Let's get the position relatively ready, just in case it does flip on us. Can we start trading above now? We got 10 seconds. Not looking like it. It's not looking like it. Oh, we got a little. See. Let's stay out of it. We're staying out of it, chat. We're staying out of it. We do got NYSE. I do understand that volume is here. This could potentially start flooding down, right? I mean, we're starting to see that happen right now. Kind of feels like, shoot yourself in the foot moment, like, I definitely should have entered, right? But I'm honestly cool with just kind of staying out of this. I just don't feel it pushing down really that hard. Um, Interesting. I mean, obviously right now it's already like 10 pips profit, right? Easily profitable position. Um, Still close bearish, but like I said, lost so many orders over here. I just don't feel comfortable really making that sell. Although it is playing out. It's playing out to the T right now. Oh wow, yeah, playing out real smooth now. So NYSE really took over and wanted this to keep pushing down. It's pretty much a fuck everything I was saying earlier. So um, it is what it is. Not terrible. A little rough to see after kind of giving a little bias there. Super nice trade. That's like 26 pips right there. Definitely something I would have preferred to enter. But we didn't end up executing. I'm not really tripping too much. It didn't look the greatest in my opinion. But price ended up pushing down a very great, honestly. Pushed down pretty much exactly how we'd like it to. But ladies and gents, I think I might go ahead and call it a day for today. Um, I'm not really eager to enter any positions at this point. Primarily because I'm looking forward to scaling the good positions tomorrow. Um, Definitely successful trade right in front of us. I mean, we could have been 10 pips profit already on the stop loss break even play, and then right here, I was pretty strong on not entering, so I'm not gonna say I was gonna enter this at all, but definitely more than played out. Pushed damn near 30 pips, under 3 minutes, so you can't complain with a move like that. I just feel like it was a tough play for me to enter because of the weak bearish candle. We already entered the previous one, and obviously didn't give us exactly what we were looking for. NYSE came in, something to keep in mind, knowing that there's sessions coming in. I just got maybe be a little bit more risky. Understand that the volume is coming in. We can, it has a higher chance to keep pushing down the direction it's already previously looking to go into. So everything's in, everything I'm doing, what I'm saying, is trying to improve every single day. So I can take that in consideration for the next time we trade. Alrighty, ladies and gents. Well, I'm gonna be calling the stream for right now. Like I said, we have PPI tomorrow, so let's look to make some really good trades tomorrow. Um, gonna prepare myself, do what I can to increase my knowledge, and look to get some really solid positions for us tomorrow. Um, really trying to help out. I can't really say this is gonna be signals or anything like that because there's a 10-second delay on each of my position opens. YouTube has a 10-second delay, which is very, very critical. 10 seconds is a lot when it comes down to trading. Um, the more I build up my community, eventually I'm gonna start coming out with a Zoom. I'll have private Zoom members. Um, Anybody that would like to join my Zoom, anything like that, to have more of confluence, not necessarily use me as signals, but more so as confluence for your trading. Looking to build a Zoom community as well. So I have a YouTube community for free and a paid Zoom meeting for everybody that would like to pretty much get the exact same entry that I get into when I get into it. So obviously that's got to come with when the community starts building up. Um, Well, when the community does build up, is what I'm looking to do for the community to kind of help them out if they want to use my trade setups as Confluence. Um, but yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna be back at it tomorrow, Wednesday, the 12th, for PPI. Really looking forward to it. Um, yeah. So everybody that ended up watching today, I really appreciate everybody that tapped into the stream. If you guys can drop a like, help push out through the YouTube algorithm. Very much appreciate that. And you know, if you guys go ahead and tap back in the stream tomorrow, comment anything you guys like to comment. If you guys tap into the stream and you guys are enjoying it, man, say something in the chat. If you guys aren't enjoying it, say something in the chat. Let me know, man. Let me know how you feeling. Um, Other than that, though, guys, see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning, starting the stream at 6 a.m. and we have news event at 7:30. Um, like to see you guys there. Thank you so much again. Have a great